everyone. Thanks for joining again. Yes, we are back. We're cooking with Gwen Taylor, cooking with pumpkin. Here I am, just to show you a small meal, maybe 30 minutes or less, cooking with pumpkin. Yes, but it's not just for the wives. No, it's not just for the husbands, but I'm here for everyone, just to get you up and let you know that you can do it. I believe in you, so let's get up and cook. So remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share. I love y'all, so let's cook. It's 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Come on in, come on in. Show you something today, and we'll be out of your way. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is well, enjoying this great season of Jesus being born. And I just love this season. This is such a great time of the year. Not only to be with your family and your friends, but just to celebrate and just to wear your little earrings and your necklaces and your t-shirts and all these different gears that you can wear. So today we're doing Hushpuppies. A very easy way to do Hushpuppies. I know you like Hushpuppies, and you can do so much with Hushpuppies. So I'm going to show you just a simple way of doing Hushpuppies today, and we will be out of here. I promise you, this is going to be so quick and easy. So guess what? Guess how we're going to use start the Hushpuppies? With the Jiffy corn mix. Yes, use your Jiffy corn mix. You can, of course, you use it for your muffins. And I'm not sure if you use it for dressing, stuffing now. But yes, we're doing Jiffy corn muffin mix. So I'm adding the corn muffin mix. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start my frying pan. I was thinking about doing my my little fryer, deep fryer, but I was like, yeah, it's gonna use so much oil. So I don't want to, I'm not just gonna make a whole lot of this. So I'm gonna start it, and I'm going to use some pure granola oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started in my little frying pan here. And y'all just gonna say, oh, I could have been making Hushpuppies all this time. So, okay, so we're starting with the corn muffin mix. Then we're adding some all-purpose flour. A half a cup of all-purpose flour. So this is the all-purpose flour. And of course, with all-purpose flour, you have to use salt and baking soda. So I have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder that I'm going to add with that. So I'm adding the flour to my corn muffin mix, Jiffy muffin mix, yes. So you can also add, for this recipe, we're adding onions. But of course you can use like a half a cup of onions, and but I like my onions cooked. I like it soft. So because if you put onions in the fried in the frying pan in your Hushpuppies, they're really not going to be cooked. I like mine cooked, so I sauteed mine. See, I sauteed mine, and I also did bell peppers. This might not be a half a cup, but this is what I'm using. So this is like maybe a fourth of onions and bell peppers. So now I'm going to add 1 egg, just one. I told you it's going to be easy. 1 egg, and I'm going to add a cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. Any kind of milk. If you want to do buttermilk, probably it's okay. If you have half and half or whatever. This is just 1 cup of milk and my mix and my onions and bell pepper. Now for Hushpuppies, you can add all kinds of stuff. You can have your own twist to it. You can add jalapeno peppers. A lot of people like a kick. You can add broccoli. Yes, broccoli. You can add shrimp. Yes, you can add shrimp. And oyster. You know anything about oyster? Oh, I know oyster would really, it's called oyster, but I'm from the low country. We say oyster. I know if you add some oyster, you could add some oyster to it. That would be good too. Shrimp. You probably could add salmon. You probably could add anything. Just throw it in there. Throw it in there. I bet it would be just delicious. So here it is. We're mixing up our batter. See how simple that is? So like I said, if you wanted to do broccoli, you can add your broccoli. A friend of ours used to have the broccoli cornbread. That was really good. So I'm sure you could do the broccoli hush puppies. So shrimp. I thought about shrimp, but I said I did shrimp last week, so I don't want to do shrimp again this week. But there it is. That's how it looks. You can add probably cinnamon. My niece adds cinnamon to her cornbread. You could probably add vanilla. You could probably add Cajun seasoning, whatever season you like. Do you? Hey, okay. And I bet it'll be a stomach full. So here it is. The batter's ready. Just like that. What, 5 minutes? So you can make your family some good old hush puppies. Now, you see, that's all I'm showing you today, hush puppies. So you can do your hush puppies and so you can do it tomorrow because you know everybody love Friday, fish for Friday. Or you could do shrimp with it. Or you could do any kind of meat with for your hush puppies. But hush puppies could be really good. Now, I've tasted them, you know, where people add sugar too. But I don't want to add no sugar. So here we go. This should be hot enough. And we're going to go ahead and get started in making our hush puppies. So, you know, your hush puppies, sometimes they're cute and sometimes they're not. So this is what I'm doing. You could probably use a scoop if you have a nice scoop. Not the ice cream scoop, but it's probably a smaller one. So here it goes. Let's see if it's hot enough. I'm just going to drop a little piece in there and see if this is hot enough and get it ready. And, I mean, it's going to be ready in just a few minutes. Let it get hot, a little bit hot. And there we go. It's almost Christmas. Christmas is almost here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready or not, it will be here on the 25th. You know, it comes that time every year. So that's what's going to happen. So here we go. We're going to drop some in there. I'm just going to drop a little in there and get it started. And it probably take maybe about 5 minutes. And the hush puppies will be ready. So you can, any kind of, I guess it don't really, you know, it's a ball or flat or whatever. That's how I'm doing it. So I'm just dropping it in there almost like a pancake. Yeah, almost like a pancake. And this is my hush puppy. So we'll see how this go. We'll see how this go. So I'm making, you can make them big or you can make them small. But you know, the bigger you make them, the longer it takes to cook. So let's see. Mine might be a little flat because I maybe should have rounded them up. But that's going to be the hush puppies. A simple way to do hush puppies. You know, you go into seafood restaurants and some of them, they'll come and bring you a whole basket of hush puppies on the table. You're just eating and eating. And by the time you get your seafood, you're stuffed. So that's how that's going to be. Just in a few minutes, so it's browning. Like almost like a pancake. Mine is going to probably be a little flat. But you know, you can round it up. You can round it out and make it like a round circle. And then we're going to turn that and it'll be here. So I told you I try to do simple things for you. I try to show you how to do, where it wouldn't take long to cook and you don't have to be in the kitchen. And so this is something that while the kids are out of school, maybe you can get them to do some hush puppies. Maybe you could have it for your friends or have your family over. Do your own hush puppies. You can do it. I believe in you. I know you can do it. So remember to like, remember to share. Everybody share. Just share. I bet you know someone that wants to learn how to make hush puppies. I know you do. Share. Just share. And you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm on YouTube too. Yeah. So here it is. See how it's cooking there? So let's see. Let's see. Give it a few more minutes and I'm going to turn it. And just like that, it's going to be red. This one looks like it's brown. So this one is, ooh. So mine is like a patty. But But it's my hush puppy, okay? This is my hush puppy. There goes the hush puppy. There goes the hush puppy, just like that. See how simple that was? Some people might just use cornmeal. You can just use cornmeal instead of the Jiffy Mix. The Jiffy Mix is there. You probably have one in your cabinet. Go ahead and use your Jiffy Mix. There it goes, and it'll be ready just like that. So in this season of Christmas and our Lord Jesus Christ, today I celebrated my 20 years on my job at my church. Well, I've been there 20 years since September, but we celebrated today. And God is good, 20 years. And we were laughing and playing and just having a great time. And one of my favorite songs, one of my friends started singing, Jesus, Jesus, oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus, Jesus, so holy, meek and mild, new life, new hope to all he brings. Listen to the angels sing, glory, glory, glory to the newborn King. You know that song? Jesus, Jesus, oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus, Jesus, so holy, meek and mild, new life, new hope to all it brings. Listen to the angels sing, glory, glory, glory to the newborn King. Just start in the house just singing it. Now, this is not going to be the perfect Hush Puppies. Yours probably look a little better than this, but I bet it's going to taste good, okay? I bet it's going to taste good. So there goes. My Hush Puppies are like a pancake. I probably put too much in there. I wanted to rush it on. So you see how, if you just use a small scoop, and I think I did too. So if you use just a small scoop like that, it'll make a small one. But I have big ones. So we can eat just 2 of those, and it'll be good. This one is pretty. What'd you think? This one is almost ready. Be ready in a few minutes. Now, if you use a lot more oil, but I don't want to use a whole lot. I don't want it too greasy. And you can cook them in your air fryer. Yeah, you can use your air fryer and the oven. Put them in the oven, in the air fryer. I would just make a ball, and then I would spray it. Put some Pam or whatever spray you have, and cook it in your air fryer. Yeah, this is not the prettiest one. It almost looks like a pancake, but it's gonna be a stomach full. I bet it is. So this one I think is almost ready here. This looks pretty good too, almost like a pancake. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. There you go. Yeah, I made them too big this time, but it's still gonna taste good. It's still gonna be good. And I hope you all know now how to make a hush puppy. You can make a hush puppy. You can do it. So we take this one out and we'll try it, and that'll be it. That'll be it. So tomorrow you can have some hush puppies with your fish. Even if you don't fry it, you can make your own hush puppies. Let's see. Let's see if this one is ready. It's pretty. It's pretty. It's a big one. It's a big old hush puppy. It's a big old hush puppy. My hush puppy looks like a little pancake here. Let's see if it's ready. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. Jesus. Jesus. Oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus. Jesus. Ooh, so holy, meek and mild. New life, new hope to all it brings. Listen to the angels sing. Glory, glory, glory to the newborn King. I didn't time it, so let's see. Let's see if it's ready. It's pretty. What you think? There you go. So we'll take those 2 out. That one didn't make the cut too good, but I'm gonna take this one out. And we'll see how it is, okay? This is the hush puppy. This is the hush puppy cake. Hey, that's what we call it. Hush puppy cake. That's what it is, a hush puppy cake. Let's see. I'm gonna let that one cook a little longer. That one. So this is the hush puppy cake. Let's see. I was busy singing. I wasn't paying attention. Oh yeah, it's ready. It's ready. God, we thank you for this hush puppy cake that you allow us to have. You've been good. So I've gotten some of that all out of there. Okay, let's see. Let's see this hush puppy cake. Okay, there it go. Oh, it smells good. Smells good. Hush puppy cake. See how it's cooked? It's cooked. You see it? It's cooked. Okay, let's try it. Mm-hmm. That's good. Take this one out. That's good, y'all. Hush puppy, just like that. Just like that. You can make your own hush puppy. Don't make it so ugly like mine, but you can make your own hush puppy. So just round it off and make it. And there you go. Hush puppy cake. Hush puppy cake. It's good for a dinner. Just like that. Y'all try it. You will like it. Like I said, add your little other twist to it and you'll be good to go. Hush puppy cake. This time. I love y'all. Thanks for joining. I'll see you all next time. And may God be with you until we meet again. Jesus. Jesus. Oh, what a wonderful child. Jesus. Jesus. What are you doing? Thanks for joining another episode of Cooking with Pumpkin. Remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. I'll see you next week.